Hi, this is Amy Gentry, and this is my Unit 1314 screencast for Weather and Climate in Alaska ATM 101. So, first thing I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to be comparing the graphs from Anchorage and Eielson through January and February of 2017. So, if you look over here at this graph, this is the Anchorage temperatures. And you can see at the beginning of the graph here, it was very warm and close to the freezing point, and it got significantly warm here and then kind of dipped down and kind of varied a little bit. And if you look over here at Eielson, it kind of did the same thing. It was below freezing here and then kind of had a high and then kind of tapered off, and so Anchorage and Eielson were pretty similar in these ways. And same with the pressure points here. They seem to kind of follow the same course. They both were around 1030 here and then kind of had a dip and then rose again and then kind of dipped significantly here, and they both kind of follow the same pattern. Here, the dew points, they're a little bit different, kind of high at the beginning and then fluctuating throughout the course of the graphs. And as you can see here, there's a little bit of a difference between the two, which isn't very surprising. Anchorage is a little closer to the ocean, so that could have some effect on that. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is like the individual days. So this here is Tuesday, January 31st, 2017. And as you can see down here, there is a low pressure system, kind of surrounded by some high pressure systems around here. And then here we have some snowfall. This is kind of a warm day here. So the next day, Saturday, February 4th, 2017, this is significantly warmer than the last day here. This would be a lot colder. There's quite a bit of high pressure systems here surrounding Alaska, and I mean a little bit of snowfall here, but not anything really around the interior. So this is pretty a pretty warm day, and the max temperatures for Anchorage was 23 degrees Fahrenheit, and the max temperature for Eielson was about 3 degrees Fahrenheit. So Anchorage was quite a bit warmer. Next day, okay, so here is going to be comparing the comparing all four, and there's kind of a significant amount of cloud cover, but so this is kind of a little warmer. And here there's less clouds. Once again, this would be a little bit warmer. There's a lot less cloud cover. And this here is the upper air chart for the pressure. So you can see they're kind of the same. Their Anchorage and Eielson are in the same section, and it lies around 420 millibars. And here we have the station data for Anchorage and Eielson. So this is later in the year. They once again kind of follow the same paths if you look. So, I mean, not much of a difference here. Here is Tuesday, March 21st, 2017, and as you can see here, there's kind of some high pressure systems, and this would make it a little bit warmer. And once again, we have some snowfall over here. Here is Saturday, March 25th, 2017, and there's another high pressure system over here, and over here we have a low pressure system, and over here there's some little snow or snow showers. This low pressure system coming in from over here could have some impact on it, but this would be a little bit affected by the low pressure system. And the Anchorage high temperature was 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and the Eielson max temperature was 21 degrees Fahrenheit. And then once again, we're going to compare all four here. This is infrared, water vapor. Not a lot of cloud cover. There still is some, but this, once again, it was kind of affected by this low pressure system here. And here we are again. Once again, not a lot of cloud cover, but there is the high pressure system and the low pressure system. And here is the upper air chart again for March, which is later in the year. And they kind of seem to be still sitting around 520 millibars, so about the same for both of them, for Anchorage and Eielson. And then here is the monthly average temperatures for Fairbanks and Anchorage. So they're kind of similar. However, Anchorage is a maritime climate, and Fairbanks is a continental climate. And Anchorage would be a little bit more affected by the ocean. The weather would be just because Fairbanks is a little closer to the interior, so the ocean would have a little bit more of an impact on the weather in Anchorage. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I always enjoy feedback and tips for the future. But I hope you all had fun this semester. I know I did, and I enjoyed making these videos. And thank you for watching.